Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With black headlamp bezels, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, 33-gallon fuel tank, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 28,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, spray and bed liner by Mopar, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MerinoCJD.com, stock number 90328A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.